Hey guys, so welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick how-to of how to play Roblox on a Bluetooth keyboard iPad. Let's get started. Hello everyone, so here's how to play Roblox with your iPad, and if it doesn't work then here's how to do. You want to go to settings, so with that turn on your Bluetooth, and then of course you want to connect your keyboard. Next is go to accessibility, go to there, go to switch control. After that, you want to go to switches, and we have Bluetooth devices right here. So, yes, with that, you want to just have to press and connect your keyboard. Then, after that, you just want to ignore invalid switch set. So, this one will hide alerts with when the switch configuration setup is invalid. And yes, that's basically it. And yeah,